Dear children, today we are going to learn about the numbers for 4th standard students. There is like a few types of numbers was there, like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even, odd, prime numbers and rational numbers. So number 1, natural numbers. Natural numbers indicates with n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So if the number starts from the 1, then we'll call the numbers as natural numbers. Number 2, whole numbers. Whole numbers indicates with W. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So what is the difference you find here than the natural numbers and whole numbers? Only the difference is 0. If the number starts with the 1, the numbers will call as natural numbers. If the number starts with the 0, the numbers will call as whole numbers. Number 3 is the even numbers. Even numbers. Six, 8 like that. I'll tell you the example also so that you can understand clear. Number 4, odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. Let's see, for example, I am dividing 8 with the 2. 2 4s are 8. The remainder is 0. In the same way, 9, 2, 2 4s are 8 and then remainder is 1. If the number divides with the 2, one will get the remainder as a 0, then such type of numbers will call as even numbers. In the same way, when we divide with the 2, do 2 with any of the number, when we'll get the remainder as 1, then we'll call such type of numbers as odd numbers. You understood?
Yes.
Okay. So, even numbers and odd numbers. So, next numbers would be integers. Next number is integers. Indicates with I minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. From the left side, numbers would be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 like that. From the right side, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, n number of times. Then such type of numbers will call as integers. And also there is prime numbers, rational numbers. So many types of numbers was there. We'll learn about those numbers later. Next I am moving into Indian system and then international system as part of the numbers. Indian system, first one, Indian system. Means like what, like how we will pronounce in India. So with that only we are calling this numbers system as a Indian system. I am taking one number as an example. 45,638. How I pronounced here? I pronounced as 45,638. How I pronounce in the same way I am writing as a letters. 45,000 thousands 638. $45,638 in the reverse. So this we can say exercise number 1 and next exercise number 2. If I'll ask you, have given this letters 45,638. So you need to, I'll ask you to write in numerical system. What you have to write? Same 45,638 you need to write. Okay. And third, so same number for same number, third question. So I'll ask you to expand this number. How to expand? So first of all, 40 in 45,000, so there is 40,000 was there, plus 5,000 was there, plus 600 was there, plus 3 tens was there, plus 8 ones was there. This is as a third bit. First bit is whenever I am asking the number, you can write as a letters. You are supposed to be write in a letter how you are pronouncing. And the second one is in the same way how you are pronouncing. You are supposed to be write in the numerical letter. Third question is 45,638. How to expand? I expanded like this. If I ask you the same question like this in expanded manner, you are supposed to be writing simple thing. So that is how we will write 40,000 plus 5,000. I mentioned, let's see, for example, 40,000, 5,000 and 600, 38. 38. What is this here? I am adding here 8, 3, 6, 5. See, 45,638. Okay, this is what. Clear? Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, next.
Yes.
So here usually how we will call is 45,000. I am writing a table here once. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, right? Hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and then lakhs. If I am writing 2 here. Okay. So here 8 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place, 4 is in 10,000 place, 2 is in lakhs place. Okay, so 2 lakhs, how we will pronounce this? 2 lakhs 45,638 will call here. Okay, are you clear? So let's see, I'll ask a question here. So what is the place value of 4 here? What is the place value of 4 here? 10,000. Good. So the place value of 4 is 10,000. What is the place value of 2 here? Lakhs. What is the place value of 6 here? Hundreds. This is what we have to learn. So there is place value and face value. Place value is for 5 is thousands. Face value is what we'll say here? 5 is the face value. Place value is here in lakhs position. 5 means like 5,000s for 1,000. 5,000 means 5 into 1,000, 5,000 would be face value. So there is two difference, place value and then face value. Okay. So next, are you clear? And tell us.
Yes.
Next question. Okay, I am giving you 3 numbers. 236, 95 and 784. Which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number? You need to mention with the symbolics. Let's see, less than and greater than, equal, with these 3 numbers only, 3 symbols only.
95.
So how we will write like 1 ascending order, ASCEN.
95.
Ascending order. And number 2, descending order.
Smallest number is 95.
Descending order. Okay. So ascending order means like small to big. The descending order means big to small. Which is the smallest number here? 95. Next
236.
236. 784.
4.
Okay. So here descending order.
4.
784. Sorry. Yeah, descending order. So descending order reverse. Big to small. 784. 236. 95. So I am giving the two numbers here. Let's say 236 and 95. Which symbol we are supposed to be right here?
95. Second symbol.
Which one? So what we'll call this? Greater than. 236 greater than 95. Okay. So another one. 524. 726. Which symbol we are supposed to be right here? In these three symbols. 524 less than 726. It indicates as 524 is less than 726. So this is a bigger one and this is a smaller one. Here this is a bigger one and this is the smaller one. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So as of now, you are familiar with the ascending order and descending order. Small to big is ascending order, big to small is descending order. Okay, what is the symbols less than, greater than? So all are you are familiar now. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, next, like what is the biggest 3 digits number? Can anybody tell?
999.
Very good. 999 is the biggest 3 digits number. What is the smallest 3 digits number?
100.
100. Very good. 100 is the smallest 3 digits number. And what is the biggest 2 digits number?
10.
Biggest 2 digits number. What is the biggest 2 digits number?
99.
99 is the biggest 2 digits number. Okay. Okay. I'll give you few exercises for you in Indian systems only. You need to write and you can practice yourself. So like have written the table, right? In the same way like the places also, face value and place value, you are supposed to be right. One is 29,786. You need to write in table and ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 like that you can practice yourself. So this is exercise for you. And number 2, 38,934, 3, 14,628. So you can practice at your home. Okay. So next is international system. Second one is international system. International system. This is very simple. So same as Indian system only, the pronunciation will be different than Indian system. So let's say for example, I am giving you a number 2,38,974 I am writing here. So in the same way I am writing a table here. I am writing a table. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next what would be?
Lakhs.
Lakhs. Yeah, that is what the difference here. Lakhs would be Indian system. But in international system, the difference would be hundred thousands. Okay, hundred thousands. Here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands,
10,000.
10,000s.
Lakhs.
Lakhs, not lakhs. Hundred thousands. Here, 10,000s, and here, hundred thousands. This is what international system. Indian system is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, lakhs. But coming to here, it would be hundred thousands. Clear? Okay. So in the same way, I am giving you few more examples for you. You can practice at your home in international system. 8,93,468. 6,76,324. Number 3. 4,83,725. So you can practice at your home with international system according to the as per the table. You can practice. Okay, so I am roughing here. Okay, next, Roman numbers. Roman numbers. Roman numbers. So usually Roman numbers will write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 to 10, these are the